Be ready. Start. In our considered opinion, it is the duty of the Commission to award marks on the basis of a correct key answer. Stop. When large number of candidates appear at an examination for seeking appointments and the selection is very competitive, even one wrong answer to a question can alter the fate of many candidates. Stop. The petitioner may be entitled to appear at the main examination if he gets 301 marks because the answer to one question is correct but the commission has marked it wrong. Stop. There may be number of candidates who could have appeared in the main examination because of the correct answer given by them to question number 52 but which has been found to be incorrect by the commission. Stop. We are conscious that the main examination has already been held and interviews are going on, but it is also a fact that the final result has not been prepared. Stop. It would be wholly unjust to deprive such candidates who could not appear at the main examination for this reason. Stop. The purity in the selection process has to be maintained. Stop. The mistake committed by the commission has to be rectified and the candidates who appeared at the preliminary examination cannot be made to suffer because of the mistake of the commission. Stop. Such a course is being adopted as at present appointment orders have not been issued and only interviews are being conducted on the basis of the marks of candidates who had appeared at the main examination and the criteria determined by the commission. Stop. In such circumstances, it is considered appropriate to direct that relief should not be confined to the petitioner alone but to all the candidates who had appeared at the preliminary examination. Stop. Para. The court may have taken a different view in restricting the relief to the petitioner alone if appointments had been offered after the interviews and such persons had worked for some period of time. Stop. If any mistake can be corrected before the appointment is made, it should be corrected because candidates should not be made to suffer on account of such discrepancy. Stop. In Rajesh Kumar Supra, the Supreme Court pointed out that the High Court was justified in molding the relief prayed for and issuing directions considered necessary not only to maintain the purity of the selection process but to also ensure that no candidate earned an undeserved advantage over others by applicable of an erroneous key. Stop. It also needs to be noted that only a very limited number of candidates will be disturbed. Stop. Each question of general knowledge paper is of 1 mark only and only answers to 2 questions, one in this petition and other in the connected petition bearing writ petition number 58,554 of 2015, which has also been decided by order of date, have been found to be incorrect. Stop. It would therefore be just and proper for the court to direct the commission to determine the marks of all the candidates who had appeared at the preliminary examination on the basis of the correct answer to question number 52 of the general knowledge paper. Stop.